Hi there everyone. So this really quick video is just to announce the giveaway winners. So I did my 200,000 subscriber giveaway and there are going to be 2 winners and you will both receive 2 Sirdar Pattercakes of your choice, and all you need to do is email Laurelyn from Snufflebean and I will leave her email address in the description box. So just email her with obviously your name, your postal address and the 2 Sirdar Pattercake shades that you want. Obviously it can be 2 shades the same or 2 different ones, it's totally up to you, and she will get them posted out to you soon. But she is actually on holiday just at the moment, so I think it's a week on Monday when she's back, and obviously that is when they will be posted. But thank you to every single one of you that entered the giveaway, and I will leave the winners that were drawn randomly from the comments. I will leave the 2 winners on the screen in just a second. But thanks again to everybody that entered, and I will do another giveaway at some point. But I will see you for a normal tutorial next weekend. Bye for now.